Hi, this is Spencer Ross from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 9407. This truck is a 2000 Ford E450 with a Medtec body on it. The interior is very clean. And this truck has 62,000 miles on it. It is a walk-through type, and it has a Vanner inverter charger. Here's the oxygen compartment. The plug. This compartment features a slide-out tray. It is a used truck, and we performed several repairs on it, including fixing the rear latches and installing new keys and locks. The inside of this truck is very clean, which is to be expected on a truck with only 60,000 miles. Here's another view of the inside. And it does have an ALS cabinet with inside-outside access. As it was a used truck, we did put in brand new batteries. This truck does have fog lights. Now we'll fire it up. Has a 7.3 diesel in it, being a 2000. And for the age of it, it fires up really nicely. Kick everything on. The AC in this truck has been charged, and it does blow quite well. Those lights are flashing. The camera does not pick it up very well. If you have any questions about truck number 9407, please call 1-833-REMOUNT or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.